Alright, welcome to my little hood. And let's take a little trip to Michael's. Lots of graffiti, lots of weird stuff. It's beautiful, it's weird. I love it. Of course, I never prepare. So here we go. Hurry up. That's the first time that I swipe the card and it works. Usually, especially if I'm missing the train, it'll ask me to swipe it 17 times. But anyway, that's the L train. It's a little dangerous. It's a little crazy. There's a 20% chance you might get stabbed, and I always fall asleep. The freedom of every time. The Freedom Tower, where I went there when I was a technician for a couple days, and on my way out, I walked into a glass in front of everybody and never went back. Empire State Building, beautiful as always. My second favorite store, Blick, and I go there whenever I don't go to Michael's. If there's no Michael's nearby, I will end up going to Blick. It's always fun. And we made it.
Wrong door. I love that.
I was mortified. But anyway, now we've made it? Okay, we've made it. Whee! Okay, so here we have canvases of level 1, 2, and 3, basically referring to how bougie they are. Level 3 being the most width and the finer ones. They always get me with that. Anyway, the green one is the most expensive one, understandably so. It's very nice. I went ahead with the level 2 because they didn't have enough of the level 1. And they had to buy 2 get 1 free. And they got me. They got me, bro. And of course, I destroyed things everywhere I go. Why not? Here we have some good starting kits. Artist Loft, which I mentioned in a previous video. Same brand. They have amazing brushes. There's almost nothing left because it's priced pretty well. These single brushes I normally don't go for, but it's good to look at. Again, different levels depending on your level of knowledge. And I'll be honest, I'm still at level 1 because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Same brand, a bunch of different options, pretty good quality, all of it. I've tried different ones here and there. That's a little bit more leveled up for, I think that's oil. Yeah, that's the brand that I normally go for. And like you can see, there's pretty much nothing left because they have another sale for that too. That's acrylic. When I used to do acrylic, I used to work with that brand, actually both of them, and actually all 3 of them, and really good. Highly recommend. Again, depending on the level that you go for, that'll determine the price. Another good starting kit. Highly recommend. Different colors, and of course, they got me, bro. They always get me. I hope you like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And they got me the next day, dude. They got me again. It's like an abusive relationship at this point. I have no money, and yet I am here every day.